Assalamu
Wait,
alaikum.
no.
Welcome back, guys, to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel. We love to show you guys what we do.
Yeah, so what are we doing today?
A fire.
We're gonna draw some fire on a log. Okay?
Yeah.
So make sure you guys subscribe, share the channel, and like and comment down below anything you want us to draw. Let's get started. What do we say to begin? Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Okay, so we're gonna start in the middle of the page. Look at what I draw.
Okay, I'll look at what you
Please
draw.
follow the instructions.
Yes.
Look at what I draw before I do
okay,
it.
I'm looking at it.
And then copy, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
Just a slanted line. Yes. Okay, and then a curve.
A curve.
Nice. And then another curve here.
Mm-hmm.
And then connect it. Nice. And then we're gonna draw.
That looks like a good one.
It looks great. And then a circle here.
Yes.
Connect it. Yep. And then we're gonna draw a wiggly line from here. Any wiggle you want.
Okay.
Okay, and we're gonna draw another one if you can. Somewhere like this. Perfect. And then now we're gonna draw another line like this way. Perfect. And then we draw another line this way. And then a curve.
Mm-hmm.
Connect it. We'll do another line right there. So like start it. Let's see like right here.
Okay.
And then draw it. Yep. And then another one here. From the other one. Yep. And then we're gonna connect it right here. Perfect. And then we'll do a circle right here. Or not circle, half circle. Connect it. And then now we're gonna draw a little bit of a line, a wiggly line again.
Another one?
Sure, let's do another one. And then a wiggly line up here, because it's like a log, it's like wood, or like a tree branch. Okay, and then we'll do another one.
Did it.
Okay, now we're gonna do the main part. We're gonna do the flame. So we're going to do a U shape,
Mm-hmm.
or like a half circle in the floating above it like this.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, and then now we're going to do another U shape right here, but up.
Another.
That's fine. Okay, and then another
Down,
U shape up,
up, and down.
and then we're gonna just connect it. I should have made it longer. So U shape up, like this, to connect, and then connect it with the top. Yep. Okay, now we're gonna do a small one inside here, like this.
Okay.
Yep. And then U shape up.
Shape up.
Mm-hmm. Another U shape up,
Another U shape up.
and then back down.
Back down. Good.
That's it. So now we're gonna color it, and then we'll be right back, okay? Welcome back, guys. We just finished coloring our fire. Looks good. Alright, guys, so fire is very hot, yes? Is fire hot or no?
The water.
No, fire.
Water.
What about water? Water washes fire away
Yes.
sometimes?
Yes.
So it's very hot. If you touch it, is it hot?
Yes. It's gonna go in my pants and it's gonna say, "Wow!"
If fire is hot here, the hellfire is very hot. Do you know that?
Yes.
A lot hotter or a little bit?
A lot
A
harder.
lot harder. So what do we have to do? We have to try our best not to go and do bad deeds and do good deeds, yes?
Yes.
And be nice, be good
Yes.
all the time, inshallah?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
So we don't go into the burning hot fire?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. Make sure you like the video, share the video, and leave any comments down below. See you guys later. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Assalamu alaikum. Bye. Bye.